This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 55, Blood Sugar and Emotional Capacity. Most people think emotional regulation is psychological. Biologically, it's metabolic. The nervous system runs on glucose, not motivation, not willpower, not mindset, glucose. The brain alone uses around 20% of the body's energy, and it needs that supply to be stable. When blood sugar rises and crashes, the nervous system doesn't interpret it as low fuel, it interprets it as threat. Stress hormones increase, cortisol rises, adrenaline compensates, not because you are in danger, but because energy delivery is unreliable. This changes emotional capacity. When glucose is unstable, patience drops, tolerance shrinks, emotions spike faster, recovery takes longer, small stress feels overwhelming. This is not personality, it's physiology. The nervous system without stable fuel cannot afford nuance. It prioritizes speed over reflection, reaction over choice, protection over connection. This is why people can feel anxious, irritable, or emotionally fragile without any clear psychological reason. The system is guarding against collapse. Stability changes this. When blood sugar is predictable, stress responses soften, emotional range expands, decision making improves, regulation becomes accessible not because you tried harder, but because energy stopped fluctuating. This is why many regulation practices fail. When metabolism is unstable, breathwork doesn't land, meditation feels agitating, stillness increases discomfort, the nervous system is underfunded, emotional capacity is not about control, it's about supply. If your tolerance feels low, if emotions feel close to the surface, nothing is wrong with you. Your system may simply need steady fuel before it can offer flexibility. Next episode: Why safety changes glucose use. Thank you.